Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 3 Excel sheet tips. So let's start. So this is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to rename this Excel sheet name. So to rename these, simply right click on the sheet name and click on the rename option. Then you can enter the name of sheet. So I just add here the cells data. And the second way is simply double click on the name and you can edit your name. So I just add here the data. Okay. And if you want to add the color on the sheet name, so simply right click on it, click on the tab color and you can select here the color those you want. You can click on the more color option also and select the color and click on OK. And that's it. You can see the color is added. And the third tips, I'm going to move this sheet number 1 in new Excel file. So I first open the new Excel file, press the Control N to open the new Excel file. The book 4 is open. And again, I go to the Excel file and just drag the sheet, just drag. You can see the one page here showing. Just hold the mouse, right click, right key. Okay. Then go to the new Excel file and drop here. And that's it. Your Excel sheet move is in another sheet. You can see the sheet number 1 is not available here. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.